These are good. So to get any piece of glass looking its best, it really needs to be polished after it's been washed. And with the Bodum flask, it's quite hard to get inside there, of course, to do that polishing. So I have taken a wooden spoon and I've cut away with a knife. This wood is really easy to cut, and so I've cut it at a certain shape so it'll fit inside the flask, and then you can polish it with a cloth. So you want to feed in a fair amount of tea towel into the flask and then just rotate the glass, and like that you can polish it nicely inside. There we have a nice polished piece of glass.